Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to the second and final episode of this free Apple Journal course for the iPhone. For the settings in the app, make sure you visit our website. You can bookmark journal entries for easier access. On the home page, go to the three dots icon and bookmark. An even faster way would be to swipe the entry summary to the right. You can also bookmark entries from the workspace by going to the ribbon icon on the top left corner of your screen. Apple Journal lists your entries on the home page. Tapping on an attachment opens it in a different window where you can swipe right or left to go through all the attachments for that entry. At the top right corner, you can delete the attachment and then close to go back to the home page. You can filter the entries that appear on your screen. Go to the three bar icon and pick the filter you want from the listed options. To edit a journal entry, go to the three dots icon and edit. Sometimes simply tapping on an entry works, but it's not always reliable. You can also swipe to the left and go to the pen icon to start editing your entry. The bin icon lets you delete the entry. Confirm the deletion, but be careful because you can't undo this. You can also delete by going to the three dots icon on the entry summary and delete. And that is all for this course. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in a different course.